model XT1400-800. This is a machine that handles up to 550 millimeter diameter wood. It's obviously from brush and then up to there, giving you about 20 to 25 tons of production per hour. Fitted with a 300 horsepower engine, and wheel-wise, it's got 6 wheels at the back, 3 independent axles with air brakes, and then the 5th wheel at the front for towing. Okay, this machine is fitted with a 25 millimeter hold screen, various ones available. It has not been fitted as yet with a conveyor, which is a fold over and is standard with the machine as such. You'll see the discharge falling on the ground at the moment.